Good day. Welcome to PINOY Power Books. Today we will listen and learn from the book The 4-Hour Workweek. Escape 9 to 5, Live Anywhere, and Join the New Rich, by Tim Ferrissego as the Enemy, by Ryan Holiday. The 4-Hour Workweek. Introduction. In an era where the traditional work model is deeply ingrained in society, Tim Ferriss challenges this notion with the 4-Hour Workweek. He introduces the concept of the new rich, NR, who prioritize lifestyle, experiences, and freedom over the conventional pursuit of wealth. This book serves as a guide for those wanting to escape the 9-to-5 grind and embrace a life filled with adventures and personal fulfillment. The central themes of the book revolve around lifestyle design, efficient working habits, and achieving financial independence through smart strategies. Part 1. Defining the New Rich. 1. The New Rich NR. Ferriss opens with a clear definition of the new rich, individuals who have redefined wealth and success. Unlike the old paradigm, where hard work and money accumulation are the primary goals, the NR embrace a life where time and mobility take precedence. The NR live life on their terms, focusing on experiences rather than possessions. Key concepts. Life is short. Ferriss emphasizes that time is our most valuable asset. He argues that postponing happiness until retirement is flawed. Instead, individuals should cultivate a life filled with joy and purpose now. Lifestyle design. The idea of lifestyle design is central to the NR philosophy. Ferriss encourages readers to identify what they truly want out of life, creating a blueprint for a fulfilling and adventurous existence. 2. The 4-Hour Workweek philosophy. Ferriss aims to redefine the relationship people have with work. He introduces the idea that life is not about escaping work but designing it in a way that allows for enjoyment and fulfillment. Key concepts. Challenge conventional wisdom. Ferriss challenges the notion that we must work hard for decades to enjoy life later. He asserts that we can create a life filled with adventure now, not later. Value experiences. The NR prioritize experiences over material wealth. Ferriss encourages readers to travel, explore, and embrace new cultures, as these experiences enrich life in ways that money cannot. Part 2. The Deal Formula. Ferriss introduces the Deal Formula, an acronym representing 4 crucial components: definition, elimination, automation, and liberation. This framework provides a structured approach to achieving the 4-Hour Workweek. 1. Definition. The first step is to define your goals and aspirations clearly. Key concepts. Identify goals. Ferriss stresses the importance of having clear and specific goals. This is more than just financial targets, it includes aspirations for personal growth, experiences, and lifestyle. Fear setting. A powerful exercise introduced by Ferriss is fear setting. He encourages readers to identify their fears, analyze them, and consider worst-case scenarios. By confronting fears, individuals can gain clarity and confidence, enabling them to pursue their dreams without the paralyzing weight of anxiety. 2. Elimination. The second component of the Deal Formula focuses on removing unnecessary tasks and distractions. Key concepts. 80-20th principle, Pareto principle. Ferriss highlights that 80% of results come from 20% of efforts. He advocates for identifying high-impact tasks and focusing on them while eliminating or delegating the rest. Time management. He emphasizes the importance of time management and offers practical tips to minimize time-wasting activities. Techniques include setting strict boundaries, avoiding excessive meetings, and concentrating on what truly matters. Batching tasks. Grouping similar tasks together and scheduling specific blocks of time to complete them is vital. This reduces context switching, allowing for greater focus and efficiency. 3. Automation. Ferriss discusses how to automate processes and delegate responsibilities. Key concepts. Outsourcing. A cornerstone of Ferriss's philosophy is outsourcing mundane tasks. He suggests hiring virtual assistants or freelancers to handle administrative work, allowing individuals to focus on higher-value activities. Creating passive income. Ferriss encourages building automated income streams, such as online businesses or investment portfolios. He emphasizes that financial freedom is achievable through smart investments and efficient business models. 4. Liberation. The final aspect of the Deal Formula centers on achieving true freedom and mobility. Key concepts. Remote work. Ferriss advocates for the ability to work from anywhere. He provides tips on negotiating remote work arrangements and offers advice for transitioning from traditional office environments to flexible work setups. Mini retirements. Instead of deferring all enjoyment until retirement, Ferriss introduces the concept of mini retirements, periods of extended travel or leisure taken throughout life. These experiences serve to enrich one's life and provide a sense of adventure. Part 3. Real-life applications. 1. Case studies. Throughout the book, Ferriss includes numerous case studies of individuals who have successfully implemented his principles. These stories illustrate the transformative power of lifestyle design and serve as inspiration for readers. Key concepts. Real-life examples. By showcasing various individuals who have applied the deal formula, Ferriss demonstrates that achieving a 4-hour workweek is possible. These case studies vary in industry and background, reinforcing the idea that anyone can benefit from these principles. 2. Practical strategies. Ferriss provides a plethora of actionable strategies for readers to implement the deal formula in their lives. Key concepts. Finding virtual assistants. He offers guidance on identifying and hiring effective virtual assistants, outlining platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr. Identifying tasks for automation. Ferriss provides a list of tasks that can be easily automated or delegated, helping readers to streamline their workflows. Leveraging technology. Ferriss emphasizes the use of technology to automate processes, including tools for scheduling, communication, and finance management. Part 4. Challenges and solutions. 1. Overcoming resistance. Ferriss acknowledges that significant changes can be met with resistance, both from oneself and from external sources. Key concepts. Mental barriers. The fear of change and the unknown can hinder progress. Ferriss provides strategies for overcoming these mental barriers, emphasizing the importance of taking small, actionable steps. Handling skepticism. When pursuing unconventional paths, skepticism from family, friends, or colleagues is common. Ferriss encourages readers to surround themselves with supportive individuals who understand and share their vision. 2. Building a support network. Having a network of like-minded individuals can significantly enhance one's journey toward achieving a 4-hour workweek. Key concepts. Community support. Ferriss suggests finding or creating communities that share similar goals. These networks provide encouragement, resources, and accountability, helping individuals stay motivated. Mentorship. Connecting with mentors who have successfully implemented similar strategies can provide valuable insights and guidance, further assisting in the transition toward a new lifestyle. Conclusion. A new perspective on work and life. The 4-hour workweek is more than just a guide to working less, it is a manifesto for living more. Tim Ferriss's engaging writing style and practical insights encourage readers to take control of their lives, redefining success and happiness in their terms. By embracing the deal formula, individuals can cultivate a life that prioritizes freedom, adventure, and fulfillment. The book serves as a wake-up call, urging readers to break free from the constraints of traditional work life and pursue their dreams with courage and conviction. Final thoughts. In a world that often glorifies busyness and equates it with productivity, the 4-hour workweek offers a refreshing perspective. Ferriss encourages readers to rethink their approach to work, wealth, and life, highlighting that achieving financial independence and a life filled with experiences is within reach. Through smart strategies, intentional living, and a willingness to challenge societal norms, anyone can join the ranks of the new rich and create a life that resonates with their true desires. Thank you for listening to PINOY Power Book Channel. Please like, share, and subscribe for future contents.